Now, the advantage of Fiberon decking, in my opinion, would be mostly in their GoodLife collection. This collection over here has a scallop profile. It's an entry-level product, but unlike their competitors, they really don't take out as much of the material. And even though it's scalloped at the bottom, there's still enough meat in the material, and you can use screws and plugs. With the other suppliers, they take out so much, they actually lose a lot of rigidity, and you're not able to use screws and plugs. Additionally, a little secret, I guess, that Fiberon doesn't really want to advertise, they want you to know because they want you to spend more money and buy the more expensive collections, is that they use the same chemical composition in their entry levels as they do in their more expensive collections. So when you buy the Fiberon entry-level collection, you really get a lot of value for your money. So I think Fiberon is very strong in that collection. In their mid-level collection, which is, let's say, their Sanctuary collection, which is a composite decking, I would say there is less of an advantage, but a lot of people like the looks. So I think one of the things that Fiberon did is they created some really nice colors in that collection, and it is more rigid because they have a solid profile, and also they have a nicer, more modern grain type. If you look at their best collection, which is their Promenade PVC collection, there's a lot of advantages to it. First of all, it's well priced. And it is very scratch resistant. It's 100% PVC. It is installed with a nice, easy to install clipping system. And it has this really nice modern grain type. So their PVC collection is also excellent and has a lot of advantages. Now, the disadvantages of Fiberon decking is I suppose in their more expensive composite types, like the Sanctuary collection, they would not be as scratch resistant as some other composite collections from other brands. Because remember, I told you that chemical composition, the other popular brands will vary the chemical composition. So when you get into the more expensive materials, you could actually get some really nice, better scratch resistance from other brands. Sometimes, availability of Fiberon can be an issue because of high value. Sometimes, these materials are hard to get, but, I hope, Decks Toronto will do well supplying all the most popular colors of Fiberon. And I think, some will say that the Promenade collection is a little shiny. It's a little more shiny than the competitors, but that shine really goes away after about a month of use. So there isn't much to say about the disadvantages of Fiberon, but knowing the product well, the scratch resistance of the upper level lines would be the main disadvantage.